How to switch to personal account on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can switch to a personal account on your Instagram app. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up Instagram app and log into your account. Here you'll get an interface like this. Now if you are on business account, what you're going to do is tap on the profile icon first at the bottom right corner of your screen here, and then tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once here, tap on settings and privacy, and under settings and privacy, if you scroll down you can see the options for professionals, and under it you can see option business tools and controls. Now since you are on business account, here you'll get an interface like this. Simply tap on business tools and controls option here, and you'll find the option to switch account type. You can see there on the screen the third last option, switch account type. Simply tap on switch account type, and here you can see the option switch to personal account and switch to creator account. To switch to personal account, simply tap on switch to personal account and your account will be switched back to personal account. So this way you can switch to personal account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.